Hey friends, welcome to the Weller channel. Today, I'm going to show you what to do if YouTube isn't working on your TV. Here's my YouTube, so if it doesn't start, go to Settings, then Applications, and then Downloaded Applications, okay? Pause for 5 seconds. Now, let's look for YouTube here. Pause for 6 seconds. There it is. Go in, and all we need to do is clear the cache. That's it. And then you can try to force stop and start it again. Or you can just turn it off and on. After that, try to start it. If that doesn't help, you can try restarting your TV or resetting it to factory settings through Settings and Reset, and then selecting Factory Data Reset. And that's everything. Weller was with you. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.